What if I told you a teen just tried to outsmart NASA using old-school tech? Before you think it's impossible, picture this. In 1969, the Apollo 11 astronauts reached the moon, guided by computers weaker than today's cheapest calculators. Inspired by that, a high schooler dives into mountains of wires and code, determined to rebuild the legendary Apollo computer for a science fair. Challenges multiply. Outdated chips, confusing code, but grit and curiosity push him forward. Just when it seems hopeless, the machine blinks to life. Suddenly, the impossible feels possible. How far could you reach, starting right now?